official ruling from the production. Santiago's shoulder was up. Joe, you gotta restart the match. You gotta restart it, Joe. Cheated on was this man not getting better competition. Jake Paul has been ducking Devon Belcher for months. So I have a challenge to make. Jake Paul can come out here and he can catch these hands. Logan Paul can come out here and he can catch these hands. In fact, I don't care. Your last name can be Paul. You can come up here right now and catch these hands. Who's this? Who's this? Who is this idiot?
Hey, I'm talking now. You keep your mouth closed. Hey, I wasn't talking to you. I was talking to her.
What? That came right out of my palm mouth.
Now, let me tell you one thing, punk. You guys may not know who I am, but these people do. See, my last name's Paul. I've been all around this country, and I know exactly guys like you. You like to beat up on little Blade Gibson. You like to beat up on Santiago. But one thing you won't do is step to a grown man. And that's me, Jeff Paul.
What?
Wait, what?
Wait a minute. He just got that title.
Get it back, Scott! Get it!
Oh, man.
These people don't deserve to see this man stretch your ass, Jeff Paul, if that is your real name.
I think I speak for all these people when I say they're sick and tired of hearing you sit out here and scream like a little bitch.
Hey, it's a family show. We're not doing
I tell you what, since the odds are against you, 4 of you and 1 of me, how about this? Next time I'm here in the beautiful state of Tennessee, why don't I challenge you for that championship?